Today we're diving into a topic that's as nerve-wracking as it is exciting: how to text your crush and make her fall head over heels for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark, isn't that easier said than done? Well, my friends, that's why I'm here to guide you through the art of crafting text messages that'll leave your crush swooning. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, remember this: authenticity is key. Be yourself and let your unique personality shine through your texts. Okay, let's get started. Step 6, the icebreaker. Now, this is where you want to send a message that piques her interest without overwhelming her. Start with something light-hearted, like referencing a shared interest or an inside joke. Remember, you're not writing a novel, just a casual opener that invites her to respond. Step 5, spark a connection. Once the conversation is rolling, focus on building a genuine connection. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to share more about herself. Listen actively to her responses and show a real interest in getting to know her on a deeper level. Step 4, playful teasing. Inject some humor and playfulness into your texts. Light teasing can create a fun dynamic and help you stand out from the crowd. Just remember, keep it light and avoid crossing any boundaries. Step 3, share your life. It's a two-way street, my friends. Don't hog the conversation. Share snippets of your own life too. Whether it's a funny anecdote from your day or your thoughts on a recent movie, let her see the real you. Step 2, flirting the classy way. Now, when it comes to flirting, subtlety is your best friend. Compliment her genuinely and create a bit of romantic tension. Remember, it's not about being overly explicit. It's about building anticipation and excitement. Step 1, making plans. As the conversation progresses, it's time to take things offline. Suggest meeting up in a relaxed, non-threatening way. Maybe something like, "Hey, there's this new coffee place in town I've been meaning to check out. Want to join me?" And there you have it, folks. 6 steps to text your crush and make her fall in love with you. But hey, here's a bonus step. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are meaningful connections. Give it time and let the relationship unfold naturally. Remember, at the end of the day, the most attractive thing you can be is yourself. So, go ahead, type that text with confidence and enjoy the journey. And if it doesn't work out, don't sweat it. Plenty of fish in the sea, right? Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. Thanks for tuning in, my friends. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep being authentic, keep being you. This is signing off.